Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to another beautiful episode on the channel. In this episode, I am super excited to share with you this beautiful and super cute kids cornrow hairstyles. Do well to let me know what you think about these cornrow styles for little princesses. Would you love to rock any of these hairstyles for your little ones? Share with me in the comments. I will be there to read and to reply to you all. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share with others, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more amazing styles. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.